That answer is to make it fun by using an idea called gamification.
And the answer is by treating life like the game it is.
The idea of gamifying your life.
And that's when we start bringing in the concept of gamification.
To turn my life into a game.
Everyone's trying to gamify their life these days. It's become the holy grail of productivity. But here's the thing, most gamified systems get boring after a few weeks. Even mine did. I created 2 free gamified Notion templates that thousands of people downloaded. But after tracking the data, most users abandoned them within months. Why? Because Notion wasn't designed to be a game. A real game hook with meaningful challenges, instant feedback, and rewards that actually feel rewarding. So I reverse engineered what makes the game addictive and built it directly into Notion. One click transforms my entire second brain system into a game mode, complete with real stacks, progressive challenges, and rewards you will actually want to earn. So let me show you how it works. Now, in order to get the game mode dashboard, you have to get Second Brain 6.0 because this template, the game mode dashboard, is built in this template. And easily you can transform from a regular, or let's say not a regular, but a high-end Notion Second Brain or Life System template to an RPG template easily with one click. Now, let me show you how that works. For example, let's go to today tasks, or before today tasks, let's go to goals and create a goal. For example, let's set something, learn handstand push-up, for example. You can add all the other details, start dates. For example, we can go to from this March 1 to, we have, for example, 4 months to learn that. Just for example, let's go also and add some daily tasks. Let's go and add new page. For example, go to gym and let's do important. And, or let me just keep this one empty for now because I want to show you a cool feature. Then let's go with record this video, which is record game mode YouTube video. And yeah, let's also do another thing, which is a project. For example, we can create it easily from here. You can go add new page and let's go with something like update game mode template. And actually this is one of my projects for this month. So its critical start date was the 1st of this month. And it does take me just a week, something like that. And deadline end. And I did finish this project. Or let me keep it in progress so we can see it. Okay. Now let's go to the game mode dashboard. So with one click, we're going to transform the Second Brain 6.0 to the game mode dashboard on RPG template. So here's the game mode dashboard. And now if you notice, we have goals, the goals that we just created previously. Learn handstand push-up is here. Also the projects, which is mission. And here we have tasks to do and do it. Now in the game mode dashboard, to make this feel like a game, I try to change names. For example, goals are now objectives, missions are project. For example, we have chapter, which is milestones, quest, which is daily tasks, just to make that gamified feeling. Okay. Now, if you want to get all the details about the game mode dashboard, I already have a video. I will leave it in the description below that we work through all the features of the game mode dashboard and how it works. But quickly, I will re-explain how it's works. You have your daily tasks, your good habits, your bad habits, your reflection. You have notes, idea, resources, books, goals, chapters, and missions. Now, those ones, if you did complete them or review them, you earn XPs and coins. For example, if we go to our daily tasks, if we complete this task, we will go to earn 50 XP and 100 coins. But here's a cool feature. Now, depending on how the task is hard or easy, you will earn more points. For example, if this task is important and the energy is high, this task now will earn you 70 XP and 114 coins. If this task, for example, go to gym was important, okay, but it's easy, for example, or low, doesn't require high energy, you will earn 55 XP and 120 coins. Okay, so once we complete them, for example, if you check the daily status here, we can see that we have today's points. We have 205 to collect XP and 413 coins to collect. And if we did finish this task, we can see now we collected 70 XP. If we did finish also this one, we can see that we collect 125. Now, we're still missing some points here. For example, we have good habits. Now, if we complete these 3 good habits, this one, and also this one, we can see that we have here 2 after 2 completed tasks and 3 after 3 completed tasks. And the daily progress is 95%. So we have 5% less to complete our daily status. And that comes to our journaling, which is reflection. If we did click on our journal, you journal what's happened to you today, all the feelings, all the actions, or all the stuff, and then you logged today journal. Now you complete your daily status. You complete all tasks, all habits, and your journal. Here in the daily status, if we go to the page here, where is it? Mission tracker. You can go back and see also this week. For example, yesterday, how many tasks you completed, how many habits you complete, the progress. You can go to this month, all-time mission tracker or daily status. Okay. Now, when you collect XP, you level up your character. So with enough XP, you can earn level. For example, if we go to this goal here, and let's say learn handstand push-up, we are going to earn 15,000 XP and 100,000 coins. And that's a lot. And that will move up our character level so fast and so quickly. So if we did it, we can see now we have 15 in the level, okay? And also if we check coins, so if I click on the character, we can see that we have a lot of coins, 100,000 and 140 coins. So we are going to use coins to buy rewards. Okay, now until this point, we can see that there's a lot of templates that do this feature. For example, my free life game mode template. So by the way, if you don't have money and you can't buy this game mode template, there's a free version of it. I will show you the problem that most of those templates, why they get boring so quickly. So here's the template. We also have here character, we have level, we have XP coins. Yeah, it does not have all the fancy feature like puzzles, how many points you missed, how many your daily status. Yeah, because this one is free. But it's still a good version of gamified Notion template. The problem is with this Notion template like that is there's no motive to continue using them because you are going to do your daily task, you're going to earn XP, but also you're going to buy rewards, but then it just gets boring. The problem because most games has rewards that's hard to earn and there's also challenges. And that's what I did to the game mode dashboard. Now, if we go back to the game mode dashboard, we have, first of all, we have rewards. We can see that I just created 5 rewards. You can create countless rewards if you want by yourself. You can get icons and create them. Now, the thing is, even if you have coins, sometimes you can't buy a reward. Why? Because they require a level. For example, if we go to create a new reward, let me just create a new reward and let's name it. So for example, if I go here and I create a reward that requires the level 100, okay? And this one will be, for example, buy a car. For example, if I did finish this year goals, I will buy a new car. Here we can upload the cover. Here we have the dates. For example, this is a yearly goal, for example. And here we can see that we have 15 level left. So even if you have enough coins, for example, let's say that this reward will cost me 100,000 coins. I have 100,000 coins, but I can't buy this reward because it requires another 15 levels to unlock. So that will make it so challenging to do it and will make it so fun. Now, the other cool feature that we just added recently is challenges. So here, as you can see, we have 5 different levels of challenges. We have easy, medium, hard, legendary, and impossible. And in total, 13 challenges. And each challenge will earn you whether puzzle or level or both. And let me show you how you can start a challenge. For example, we have read one book. We can start this challenge and currently it's 0%. So what we can do is we can go to the game mode and then we can create a new book. For example, we are going to start reading meditation, for example. You're going to add the book cover and all the other features. And let's say you did finish this book. So reading status is finished. Now, if you go to our challenges, we can see that we have challenge complete. Now you earn 1 puzzle and 1 level. Also, for example, if we go to write 13 journal entries, and let's go, for example, to our journaling page in this Notion template. So here is it, the journaling page. So what I'm going to do is log the all-time journaling entry. So I'm just going to do that quickly. Now, if we go back to our game mode, we can start this challenge and we can see that the challenge is complete. We write 13-day journal entries. Of course, if you did miss your daily journal, you have to come back and write it, not only log it. Okay, you have to be honest with yourself. Now, those ones are easy challenges. We have complete 15 tasks. Like I did 470 tasks in 4 months. So 15 tasks will take you like a month and a half, you know. And then we have medium one, which we have, for example, 200 tasks, 100 habits, 365 journal entries, finish one project, read 5 books, and then we have the hard one. Also here we have, for example, reach the level 200. If you did reach this level, you're going to earn another 100 level and 50 puzzles. Because let me tell you, once you achieve legendary challenges, which is, by the way, is legendary, it will take you more than a year to do that, then it will be easy to earn more puzzles that you are going to use to earn productivity titles. Now, there's another impossible challenge, which is reach the level 1000, which is if you did it, you need to contact me and tell me I reached the level 1000. And if you did reach this level, because you have to complete all those challenges if you want to earn all productivity titles. So for example, we have productivity legend. You have to earn 2000 puzzle in order to get this productivity title. And if you did it, you are really a productivity legend. Now, this template will include a way on how you can add more challenges if you want, also on how you can add more titles if you want to continue use this template. Even I'm sure that those challenges are not easy. I made them so hard that it will take you more than 2 years, maybe 3 years also, especially if you are someone who, procrastinate a lot, miss a lot of his tasks. Also, you have to know that doing bad habits will slow down your progress. It will lose you coins, it will lose you XPs. So you have to avoid doing bad habits. And I explained that in the previous video. So that's how we can make this Notion templates so fun and enjoyable. Now, one of the cool feature here, we have rewards and specifically daily rewards. So the rewards that are daily, you can select them here, daily rewards. And then with enough coins, you can buy rewards multiple times. So for example, watch one anime episode, you can buy it 1 time or 2 times or 3 times, and it's going on. Okay, yeah, just make sure that you have enough coins. Even if you don't have enough coins, it will tell you that you can't buy it. And just like I mentioned in the previous video, if you want to change the points, for example, if you want to change tasks points, you can go to the game settings here and you can change tasks points, for example, from 15 XP to 16 XP. But I think the points that I set for these templates are fair. The lowest action that will earn you points is doing your daily journal. So 10 XP, 20 coins. Then we have tasks. Good habits can be customizable. Each habit has different XP and coins. Then we have reviewing notes, ideas, resources, and books. And finally, we have missions, chapters, and goals. Goals are the biggest action that will earn you XP and coins. So that's what we have in the game mode. I didn't want to make this video so long. I can go with more details and show you all the other stuff and features, but I will let you explore them by yourself. So that's what we have in this template. See you in the next video.